Hey guys, it's Dombomb, and
Cecily.
today we are trying Simply Natural Applesauce Burst Lemonade Applesauce.
So Simply Nature, we got it at Aldi, Applesauce, so it's lemonade applesauce. It advertises with Alex's lemonade stand, so we thought we would try it today. No artificial colors, no corn syrup, and nut-free.
So it's pretty...
So we're gonna see. We also got blackberry or raspberry, I don't know,
flavor.
some sort of berry lemonade. We'll have to check it out. So,
Okay, I open it. Ugh.
how's it going? Open it. No.
I got it. Ugh.
Mine's rubber.
We'll just,
I like the caps because they have like grips like right here.
okay.
It's good. It's like a lemony applesauce.
Yeah, and that tastes good.
Lemon Norman Alps.
Do you like it, sis?
Mm-hmm.
Is it refreshing?
Very.
Yeah. So maybe some people who want to change up their applesauce game for the summer.
It's a little bit lemony.
It's a little bit lemony.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So made with apple juice, apple puree, lemon juice, lemon. Yeah, basically apple and lemon. That's it. So, would you recommend this for people to try?
Yeah. It's pretty good.
Pretty good.
So, don't forget to like and subscribe, and tune in next time when we try the blackberry flavored.